Hey guys, welcome back to erebuilds. I want to thank every one of you guys that subscribe to my channel, that watch my channel. Guys, thanks a million. Guys, and the reason why you didn't see any posts from me in a long time, because what I was contemplating on my next build. What vehicle that would get to do a next build with, you know. As you see, we did the Q50, we did the Nissan, the Charger. So I want to do something now with horsepower and stuff like that. So I was figuring, you know, in my head what vehicle am I going to come up with. So we got the 5.3 motor here, guys, and we got the 5.7 Dodge Charger Hemi right here. So I'll be taking this motor out of here. So this is one of the options that I would have to use. So what I'm going to do, I went back to the old school Nissan, which is a Nissan 350Z, is in the back. I'll turn the camera around and I'll give you a walk around. You know, I picked that up from the auction because you know, everything I'm looking around to see what I want to build, you know. So I said, well, let me go back with the Nissan, do a nice drift project, whereas we do like a V8 project, guys. So we have the option of using the Hemi or the 5.3 LS motor. So what I'm gonna do before I choose either one of these motors, I would call around, check online to see exactly which is the cheapest package that I can buy to fit this, either the LS motor or the 5.7 Hemi inside of the Nissan 350Z, guys. I like that body style. You know, you can see I love the Nissan platform. So I don't really want to stray too far away from the Nissan platform and stuff like that, guys. You know, so that's one of the reasons why I take so long to post and upload another video, post, because, you know, I wanted to figure out exactly what my next build is going to be, right? And I think that I want to build a true grandpa drift machine. Our goal now with this car is to get it up to 500 brake horsepower. 500 brake horsepower and above. So that's why we're starting with this platform here, where is the LS or the Hemi. All right, guys, so I'm gonna give you a walk around of the 350Z that I just picked up from the auction. I was watching this car for a while on the auction and it came up, so did purchase it and stuff. It's not bad, you know. So guys, I'll give you a walk around now at that car, guys. So guys, as you see, this is the new drift build. As you can see, it's been sitting under a tree or something like that. Somebody decide that they don't want to be bothered anymore with this 2003 Nissan 350Z. But I love these cars, love the platform. The Nissan platform is good for drifting. And, you know, I'm still in the learning process of drifting, and not because I'm an older guy, you know, but we still have to have fun, right? So guys, as you can see, I'm gonna bring the camera a little closer so I can give you a walk around with this car. So the way how I'm planning to approach this. Well, they say it was mechanical. So what I'll do with this, guys, is I will still try to see if the engine start. So if the engine is solid, if it's a good engine, what I'll do then, I will sell the engine, so that will still help with the financing the bill, guys. You know, cause it wouldn't make sense for me to have the engine just lying around. You know, and this is a VQ. I'm pretty sure someone out there would, you know, love to have this motor. F is in good shape. So I'm gonna try to get it running, make sure that, you know, it's a good motor, and then I would sell it and stuff like that, guys. So the body, as you can see, you know, the body is kind of, you know, the body is kind of straight. You know, still got it on the trailer. So I'm gonna give you a walk around now with it, guys. You know, the inside and stuff like that. You know, body's pretty clean, guys. All right, guys, so you can see, as you can see, the body is kind of clean, apart from the little peeling and stuff like that of the paint. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna wrap the whole car with a nice aggressive wrap on it, or if I'm gonna go back with the painting. You know what I mean? But I'm thinking if I can get a nice wrap on it, I think that's the direction I will be going, with a nice aggressive wrap on it, guys. So I'll let me and JR with the cars, my son, wrap this car. You know, still would be good practice for us as far as, you know, in the wrap, doing the wrap and stuff like that. So as you can see, it been sitting for a while. See all the cobweb and stuff like that on there, spider web. You know, so we'll see. So we picked this up from IA Insurance Auto Auction, guys. You know, just follow along the bill, guys. So let me show you the inside, and it's a manual. It's pretty clean for 2003. Pretty clean, guys. Look at those seats. So if anyone looking for original 350Z seats, I mean, just need a little bit of tender loving care, you know what I mean? But they're pretty good. So I'll be selling these seats because I'm not going to use these seats, because we're definitely going to go all the way with this car. It's a clear title. You know, we want to make it street, put it street legal and stuff like that. You know, we have the G35 that's only pretty much built just only for the track, guys. You know, we just built that just only for the track. But this, no, we can make this here street legal, so we'll be able to take it to shows, take it to the drag strip, you know, do some shows and stuff like that, guys. So stay tuned for the process, guys. We have the Dodge Charger here, sitting there. Just need some driving, but I just see it need cleaning and stuff like that, guys. So, but eventually when we get around to it, me and JR with the cars will clean this up. You know, summertime now, so we get to take it on the road, guys. Yes, guys, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Tell a friend to tell a friend, hey, run over to erebuilds. He got some awesome content going on over there, guys. So, and for each one of you guys that subscribe, we appreciate you subscribing, coming back to the channel. And for those of you guys who haven't subscribed, it's free. Just go ahead, hit that subscribe button. So this is going to be an awesome project, guys. So you don't miss out when we post a video with this. I know they have a lot of LS swaps in the 350Z, guys. You know, it's a very common swap. You know, I went to a couple drift events here in Atlanta. Saw the guys with the LS swap in the 350Zs. I loved it. I loved it. You know what I mean? Is the song of a LS is, man, the song of a LS, and even the Hemi, man, those motors, when I hear those engines, it does something to me, man, that, you know, it's like, I'm a car guy, so guys, you got to see with me, you know. Man, I just need to sit in one of those cars with an LS motor and a V8 motor, you know, ripping, you know what I mean? So we definitely going to take this to the track. When we finish with it, we're then going to start to enjoy these cars, you know, start taking them to the track, enjoying them. You know, as you see last year, we was pushing on this Nissan to get it to Z Nationals. We'll be back at Z Nationals with this Nissan this year again. You know, we were supposed to do some upgrades to it, but we'll shift that down to later for the upgrades as far as with the brakes, the supercharger and stuff like that. Because this car mostly will be parked, and every year, you know, just do shows and stuff like that with this car, guys. So we can hold off with that, the upgrades and stuff with that for now. Whereas that the 350Z, that's gonna be a car that we definitely gonna beat on, take it to the track and have some fun with it. You know what I'm saying, guys? So we'll, instead of putting the money into this right now, we'll just put it into this bill right here. You know what I mean? So we can have some fun with this 350Z. Man, I'm telling you, I'm excited, and so should you, to see where this bill going. As I said earlier, I want to change the whole look of the car as far as the, you know, the body, even if it's a body kit, change the whole complete front. That is my goal with this car, guys. I want to make this car look sound aggressive, look aggressive, and it's going to be 500 horsepower and above. That's the goal, guys. And that's what we're shooting for. So stay tuned and follow along. As I said before, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, give the video a thumbs up. Thanks, guys. I'm out.